Medieval Secrets, unveiled April 2026, saw the publication of 10 open-access articles on medieval studies, covering archaeology, genetics, and more. The range of topics is notable, with archaeology examining the material culture of medieval societies and genetics, uncovering the origins and migrations of medieval populations. As a result, the intricate web of relationships between different groups and regions is becoming increasingly clear. The open-access nature of these articles means that anyone can delve into the fascinating world of medieval smells, trade networks, and kingship. As researchers delve into the daily lives of medieval people, the study of smells reveals the pungent aromas that filled the air, from the smell of woodsmoke and baking bread to the stench of sewage and decay. The analysis of trade networks and patterns of commerce has also yielded valuable information about the economic systems and cultural exchange that characterized medieval societies, with genetic studies uncovering the origins and migrations of medieval populations. By examining the material culture of medieval societies through archaeology, scholars can reconstruct historical events and gain insight into the complex web of relationships between different groups and regions. The open-access nature of these articles allows anyone to explore these facets of medieval life, including the concept of kingship and the rich world of medieval literature. As the examination of trade networks and patterns of commerce continues, the complex web of relationships between groups and regions becomes increasingly intricate, with each new discovery revealing a nuanced tapestry of economic systems and cultural exchange. The genetic studies, in particular, have helped to uncover the origins and migrations of medieval populations, highlighting the dynamic interactions between different regions and the flow of goods, ideas, and people that characterized medieval societies. The analysis of archaeological findings, such as the excavation of ancient sites and the reconstruction of historical events, has also provided valuable insights into the material culture of medieval societies, further illuminating the interconnectedness of these groups and regions. With the open-access articles offering a wealth of information on these topics, researchers can now delve deeper into the fascinating world of medieval trade and cultural exchange. The study of smells offers a unique glimpse into daily medieval life, from woodsmoke and baking bread to sewage and decay, while literary studies explore medieval texts and historical accounts. Literary studies have delved into the rich and diverse world of medieval texts, including poems, stories, and historical accounts, which offer a window into the thoughts, beliefs, and values of medieval people. As researchers examine these various aspects of medieval life, the concept of kingship emerges as a significant area of focus, with monarchs exercising power and maintaining authority through complex relationships with their subjects. The open-access nature of the published articles allows anyone to explore these facets of medieval life, weaving together the threads of archaeology, genetics, trade, and literature to form a nuanced understanding of medieval societies. The open-access articles provide a valuable resource for researchers and enthusiasts, offering a glimpse into the complex nature of medieval societies. As one delves into the world of medieval trade, the intricate networks of commerce and cultural exchange become apparent, with goods and ideas flowing between regions and groups. The study of smells, for instance, reveals the pungent aromas that filled the air, from the smell of woodsmoke and baking bread to the stench of sewage and decay, providing a unique insight into daily medieval life. With the wealth of information available, researchers can now explore the fascinating world of medieval societies, examining the complex relationships between monarchs and their subjects, and the diverse world of medieval texts. As scholars delve into the intricacies of medieval life, the examination of material culture, historical events, and cultural exchange reveals a complex tapestry of influences and interactions. The study of archaeology, for instance, has uncovered the remnants of ancient sites, with artifacts such as pottery, tools, and textiles providing tangible evidence of the daily lives and traditions of medieval people. Genetic research has also played a significant role in illuminating the origins and migrations of medieval populations, with analyses of DNA samples shedding light on the relationships between different groups and regions. By weaving together these diverse threads of inquiry, researchers can gain a more nuanced understanding of the social, economic, and cultural dynamics that shaped medieval societies. As the study of medieval history continues to unfold, new discoveries and insights emerge, further enriching our understanding of this fascinating era. The open access articles published in April 2026 have laid the groundwork for future research, inviting scholars to delve deeper into the complexities of medieval life. With each new finding, the intricacies of medieval societies become more pronounced, revealing a rich tapestry of influences and interactions that shaped the daily lives of people in the past. The ongoing process of exploration and analysis will likely yield even more nuanced understandings of the medieval era, as researchers build upon the knowledge and discoveries that have already been made. The study of smells in literary studies reveal a complex, multifaceted medieval world, with open access articles providing a valuable resource for further discovery as researchers continue to explore and analyze medieval sources. New findings will further enrich our understanding of this fascinating era.